So this is another game that I really like. It's called Make and Take. There's other ways that you can describe this as well, but basically you would do this with a partner, or maybe in a group of three, and you will come up with 10 sample multiple choice questions. So you're probably not going to write like stimulus based questions, and that's okay. You don't have to necessarily be practicing the type of questions that you're going to see on the test, but this will help you practice just basic recall. Okay, so come up with 10 questions, multiple choice or fill in the blank or true and false, anything like that. And then once you have 10 and your friend has 10, switch, right? So you made the test, and then you're going to switch. So you're going to take the test. Take the test that your friend made, and then grade each other's and see how you did. You can come up with essay prompts like this. You could do longer tests. You can do you could do matching, right? You could come up with 10 people and 10 events and have them match the different things. So it's just making tests, teachers get really good at content because we are constantly thinking of ways to assess students with it, right? And so like coming up with questions really helps you understand the material. So if you think of yourself as a teacher for a little while, and make a test and then give it to a friend to take, that's a really good way to study.